Okay.
3, 2, 1. Hey, guy. Oh.
3, 2.
I'm so excited. All right, count it down one more time.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm here with my boyfriend again. Like what? Part 7.
It is I.
Oh, we changed his hair. Today.
Yeah, you like it?
We just did it today, so.
Yeah. Oh my God, she's amazing.
I did it.
Oh my God. What is this?
This is my boyfriend, and he is going to be doing my makeup.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm actually gonna wear it out. I'm not gonna take it off before I leave the house.
So I'm going to try my best.
So he's gonna try his best. Here, let me put my little headband on.
I have no idea the order I should do them in. Does it matter?
I'm not telling you anything.
So this is just gonna be me winging it.
Yeah, he's getting all the products right now. I have some set out already, but apparently those aren't good enough.
What is this? These look like Game Boys. Okay, so I'm taking my jacket off right now. Because this stuff looks so liquidy. I'm using a velvety matte foundation. Oh, foundation. That's that.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. You don't have
and
to
then
do
I'm using this little splot.
Splot.
Okay, so I'm just gonna loop, loop, loop. All right, and that should be enough. Now I'm just gonna even this out all the way through.
Okay, baby.
How's everything been? How's the business?
Business is booming, I think.
Yeah.
I'm doing all right. How's your business going?
My business is going pretty good. Just got like paint. I've been working in the makeup industry for quite a long time now.
Yeah?
People come from all around the world to get my makeup look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go around with an even coat of this stuff. I'm gonna get her upper lip and her bottoms over here. Sorry, my makeup manager's texting me. I just made $10 billion. Oh, close your eyes, please.
Okay.
There you go.
I didn't know my eyes were supposed to be closed. I'm sorry. How is it not good? You just started.
I might have put too much on your face. I might have, you know. I don't know how much the amount needs. Okay, perfect. So we're almost done patting it.
Yeah, spit on my face a little.
Oh, sorry.
That was unprofessional.
Sorry.
I'm suing the company.
It's part of the...
I'm suing the company.
Alright, so look, finished. So what I've done is patted her entire face down with foundation, so she's just glowing. The next part, this golden toe face.
Two-Face?
Two-Face.
You call it toe-face?
It smells like chocolate?
That might be the reason why you think I smell good all the time. Because I don't use like perfume or anything, but I wear that.
When I hug her, like I'm like, damn, you smell like a bakery. You smell like chocolate chips and hot cocoa. That's awesome. Hey, if you want to smell like hot chocolate, there's an eyelash on it. Boom, that looks right. I'm highlighting her facial structure so that the facial structure will be more noticeable. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some, yeah. Let's do that. Yeah. Okay, so I highlighted her nose with the chocolate sauce. I did over here on the jawline, this jawline, and then on the bridge of the nose and some under the eyelids. And this will really make her face pop.
You're really good at this.
Thank you.
I don't know if anybody does it.
And next, hydrate primer. Primer? When does primer go on? After the foundation? I'm gonna put it on right now.
Okay.
This is the primer we're using today. This is the limited edition hydration primer. I don't know if it's limited edition or not. I don't know. This is just what we have. It's not.
You gotta really squeeze it out. I think I'm almost out.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Pop. A little bit. There. A little more there on the nose. Okay, so we're just gonna rub it in, but we're not gonna fuck up our lines that we did. That feels like wet paint. Oh no.
My God.
Is this not correct?
There is so much on my nose.
Oh, is it too much? All right.
No. You're absolutely right. You know exactly what you're doing.
I am the professional.
Yeah, you're the professional.
Why does no one listen to me? Okay, so I know this all looks like a mess, but listen.
I feel beautiful.
There's one thing that every makeup guru that I met every professional makeup guru that has existed, and they've all told me to just trust the process. Well, now for the fun part, I'm gonna start adding some, brush colors to her face, or the palette. Now I'm getting this purplish color. It's called Purple Passion.
Don't drop it.
Purple Passion, very nice. Okay. Oh, that's. I am now putting the purple on her eyelids very evenly, or trying to at least. And I just want that little purple fade on her eye.
Purple fade.
Purple fade. Get
Purple fade.
Alright, open your
I'm
eye.
gonna make that a song.
Purple fade. That'd be awesome. And I'm just gonna pat around that area with the brush, like so. We're gonna be switching over to this blue palette, this Celestial Storm palette, specifically for the Mystic Ice color. And I'm gonna go ahead and swash this around and lightly pick it up and just look up. I'm just gonna pat all the way down, like a little snail. A little snail.
I don't think snails.
A little snail on his way home. Now close your eye. So now the blue has added, and you can see that it's starting to create a faded effect. Now we're gonna go over this with eyeliner. Now this part's gonna be hard. I'm gonna go ahead and use it to outline what's going on here. I feel like it's a low-key bad idea because liquid eyeliner can be rubbed off very easily, I think. And I don't know if it's gonna keep its shape, but we're just gonna, you know, hope for the best. Because this is the only thing I know how to. So we're gonna go ahead. I know from many mistakes, if you get too much, it gets a little weird. So let's go ahead. Oh. Oh no. She blinked.
I'm sorry.
Wait. Okay, so right now I am outlining. Sorry, I got quiet, guys. I'm focusing up on these lines. You know, us makeup gurus, we gotta practice. Now listen. Never owned a farm. Can you stop?
Sorry.
This is a.
I'm sorry.
Oh! Alright, so that's not what we wanted at all, but we connected it. So right now, I am now painting. I'm almost done with the lines. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive back into Celestial Storm palette, and it has some sparkly colors in here. We have Fireball
You're
Red.
not showing it.
We have Fireball Red and Electric Mist. Amethyst. We're gonna use Electric Amethyst and see.
Amethyst?
Amethyst.
That was this?
I'm gonna try and do what I was trying to do on the other eye. Okay.
You're looking up.
Alright. I just didn't say it before. I just thought I would. Now I'm starting to do the same thing I did to the other eye. I'm going ahead and getting my color on her face before I outline it with the liquid eyeliner, because I feel like it's like a coloring book. You're just like following the lines. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, so now there's black matter in here. It's like a sparkly black. Look at that, below the pink. And then what we're gonna do is close your eye, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get. That looks closer to what I imagined. Okay, now we're gonna do the eyeliner again, liquid eyeliner. This is gonna go terribly. Oh, I botched at the end. That's tragic for me. If you ever get it botched, I understand what you're going through. Okay, now look at that. So now we have two space looking eyes here. One, what I like to call the infinite galaxy. And then on the right is space electricity. I'm almost done with the space electricity. There's a couple things I want to do here. And I'm just gonna go in with the eyeliner. Okay, she's looking up for me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make some little baby lightnings.
Baby lightning.
Baby lightnings.
Baby lightning.
Little baby lightnings.
Little baby lightning.
Little baby lightnings.
Little baby lightning.
Okay, so now we're gonna go down the Madison Beer palette.
Madison Beer palette.
What I want to do with the Madison Beer palette is very simple. And we're gonna get the lightest color here. I'm just gonna go over her whole face almost, but not really. It's like I'm gonna be powdering it just all the way. I've seen people do this. Okay, so now for her lips, we're gonna use this sparkly, starry cherry top lip gloss. And then that's gonna really make her lips shine. So we're gonna go ahead and do the lip gloss now on the lips. Let's see how this turns out. Ooh, wow, look at that. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit out. And then I'm just gonna.
That was inside my mouth.
Oh, all right, let's have a look-see. Perfect. Looks great. So now for the last piece. The eyebrows. We always say the eyebrows for last. Always say the eyebrows for last.
Yeah, eyebrows last.
If you're following along at home with me, you're doing great.
Actually, if any of you guys follow this tutorial, please tag me on Instagram because I would like to see your recreations of people who like that actually do makeup.
They actually do makeup.
No offense.
I do makeup. I work here. When I do eyebrows, I like to just.
Should be easier because my eyebrows are kind of grown in.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and follow it.
Okay.
So now I'm just going over her eyebrows and filling them in. Perfect. And now we're going for the second eyebrow.
I feel so pretty.
Okay, so I did the eyebrows, but I forgot one more thing. I gotta do the eyelashes. Okay, we're gonna be using this Morphe.
Just Morphe. Morphe. Morphe.
Morphe. I need some more Moffat.
Moffat.
I want to get the Moffat to go. So
Do
just
not step.
look up. Close. 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 You just did a good job. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, I've highlighted every single feature on her face. Her eyebrows are on fleek.
Well, that's crazy looking, baby.
We have the electric galaxy on the right and the infinite black hole tentacle on the left.
Can I look at it now?
Yeah.
Whoa! Baby, you actually did kind of good.
I tried.
You're pretty good. My
feel like I got
foundation
pretty bad.
is so
I
bad.
need work on the foundation. I don't know how to do it
baby.
at all.
But you actually did pretty good, baby.
Thank you, baby. Really?
Yeah, I think you did pretty good for not
Like,
knowing how to do makeup.
For someone that
at
doesn't know
all.
how to do makeup, 1 out of 10.
7.
Really? That's a W, baby.
Yeah, because it still looks cool, and I feel like it would have like turned out a lot
feel
better if you like knew it.
If I knew how to do makeup, I bet I could, like, if I redid it. Maybe I'll come revisit this one.
Yeah.
When I'm better
Maybe
at it.
we'll do an update.
Yeah, that'd be fun. I love that.
But leave a comment down below, a scale of 1 to 10, how well he did, without having any knowledge on how to do makeup. You're definitely bold. You definitely took a risk.
Yeah. I
Took
love
a risk
taking
today,
risks.
and I'll give you an extra point for that.
Oh, yes. I love points.
Thank you guys for
Thank
hanging
you guys
out.
for hanging out with us.
Oh, follow me on Instagram and
Yeah.
TikTok and Twitch because I'm building a PC and I'll start Twitch streaming soon. Subscribe.
Start a camp, a family here with us forever.
You did not say that.
Sorry.
Okay. Thank you for doing my makeup. Bye, guys.
Bye.